So my name is Prashant. I work in the news technology services. So basically, I am heading the digital platform for the news. Yes, of course, because the way the technology is moving, the world is moving, right? So it's really important to showcase the talents and the work culture, what exactly we are up to and what exactly we are doing. So I think it's the right forum to not to talk, but also just to showcase to the other to the industry leaders as well what exactly we are doing now. So I think I have attended a couple of sessions like with respect to the macro strategy, macro services and all. So I would like to say one thing. I think they are the couple of the best practices which have been used by the industry leaders in the Bangalore and maybe across the IT industries. I think that is one of the good things which I have seen here. Uh, I basically it's a multiple kind of flavors and the variety I have seen within the as a person when I interact with a couple of developers or any kind of the person who are coming to us. So everyone is coming from a different culture, from the different domains, different technologies. So definitely, I think the guys are very much interested to change their domains, to switch the domains from A to B, and then I think it's a good move as the IT, as I said, that the IT is technology is moving ahead with the new trends. So I think the guys are quite keen to learn the new things as well.